Announcement 1!
Operation Red Brick.
We are making over the little red brick house out front of our new auditorium. We're going to be knocking down walls, painting and covering floors, so be there Thursday, June the 2nd to Saturday, June the 4th to help us transform this house. We're going to turn it into a multi-purpose room for kids' playgroups, Bible college lectures, community care programs and a multimedia hub. Sign up at the back of the auditorium after the service. Announcement 2!
History Makers College is about to commence our next instalment of the Bible College Intensive course. Over 5 weeks, we'll be studying the Book of Acts. The course will commence on Tuesday, the 31st of May, starting at 7 p.m. in room C6 at Victory Christian College. We encourage you to come along.
Announcement 3!
As women, we have 2 exciting events coming up soon. On Saturday, June the 4th, we will be having Angela Winkler from Waterfront Geelong speaking to us. The night starts at 7 p.m. and there's going to be a great word, great fun and a great supper. Passion Conference coming up on Friday, June the 17th to Saturday, June the 18th. Cost will be $55 for registration and accommodation will be extra. Speakers will be Helen Monk and Sharon O'Neill. So if you want to sign up, go to the table at the back of the auditorium after the service.
Announcement 4!
History Makers Mission Weekend is rapidly approaching. Next Sunday we'll have Pastor Zebedee Tanger with us, who heads up our History Makers Church in Port Vila in Vanuatu. On the weekend of June the 18th and 19th, Pastor Binu Thampi, who oversees our work in India, will be with us. The Missions Weekend will commence on Saturday, June the 18th with the dinner held at the Conservatory on McIver Highway. It's $20 for a ticket for an adult and $8 for a ticket for a child. Tickets can be purchased today at the back of the auditorium. We encourage you to start praying about what you will give on this weekend.
Announcement 5! History Makers Church, we are in our final weeks of finishing our future home at Cairn Road. As part of Rise and Build, we are purchasing the seats for the new auditorium. We need 550 seats to fill it, and we've sold some, but there is plenty left to be purchased. So if you would like to buy a chair or even a row of chairs, please go to the table at the back of the auditorium after the service. A chair is $85, so why not buy one for someone who is not yet part of the HMC family?